Continuing violence by the BNP and its Islamist allies is holding the nation to ransom. Amid the political deadlock and turmoil, the Sheikh Hasina-led Awami League has paved the way for the creation of an all-party national government to oversee the parliamentary elections. But by refusing to join it, BNP has made its intention clear of fighting the battle on the streets rather than through political dialogue. Those favouring elections scheduled for January 5 next year are urging an end to violence in the country.
যারা নির্বাচনে আসবে না তারা ভোটারের ভোট থেকে বঞ্চিত হবেন এবং বাংলাদেশে আগামী দিনে প্রতিনিধিত্ব করার মতন তাদের আর কোনো শক্তি থাকবে না। তাই তাদেরকে অনুরোধ করব, নির্বাচনে আসেন নাই ভালো কথা, অন্ততপক্ষে ভোটটা দিয়ে আপনার ভোটের অধিকারটাকে আপনি প্রতিষ্ঠিত করেন।
Since early 2013, as the Awami League-led government entered its last year in power in its current term, secular and progressive forces have been challenged by Jamaat and a new radical force, Hifazat-e-Islam Bangladesh. The agitation led by Jamaat has been intensified in the backdrop of the High Court's order prohibiting the party from contesting elections, saying its constitution is illegal. Supported and funded by external forces, Jamaat is responsible for creating mayhem in Bangladesh since the 1971 Liberation War. The radicals turned more violent this year after Bangladesh's War Crimes Tribunal sentenced several top leaders of Jamaat-e-Islami and BNP.
This year, this has turned into a struggle against the people who hurl petrol bomb or firecrackers or cocktail molotovs as against direct participation opposition political cadre on the streets. But this has been the practice of Jamaatis during which started from February 2013 after the judgment of Delwar Hossain Saidi was changed. So this has reached a dimension never been witnessed by the Bangladesh people.
Experts like Iqbal Sobahan Chaudhry believe that the Jamaat wants to show that it is not a spent force by perpetrating violence in the country. He believes that the Jamaat does not enjoy mass support in the country.
10 years back, whatever the popular support they had got, it has diminished from 8 to 9% to present less than 3% of the electorates they will support the Jamaat-e-Islami. So the question or the apprehension that Jamaat will be a factor in creating a permanent political turmoil in the country and they can challenge the secular forces in Bangladesh, I don't think that this is possible by Jamaat-e-Islami, because the people of this country, they are mainly anti-fundamentalist, they are mainly anti-communal, and they want peace, and they are liberal Muslims in the country.
The fundamentalists have no option but to support BNP to create political instability in the country. They encourage hooligans to clash with law enforcers and resort to vandalism and arson attacks in different districts. They have also blocked rail lines, snapping rail communications on some routes. In recent violence, over 35 people have lost their lives and many have been seriously injured.